Now this is our watering hole. We actually don't get our water from there. We have a well over there that we get it from. But this never ever goes dry. Even in the dead heat of the summer, 30-degree days for weeks on end, it still always has water in here. The best part is being on top of a hill, usually a hard spot to get water. You have to drill a deep well or dig a deep well. But here, this has always naturally been here. We've dug it out a bit more over the years and then eventually put the well in. But it's a great source of water. It's nice to have water in a spot like this and not have to go through a big hassle to get it. And there's actually lines run from the well, of course, to my father's house there, and there's actually even a line from his house to my house over there, which in the future I'll be hooking up water to my place once I get to that stage. Obviously, I still have a lot of work to do as it's just OSB now.